Hi guys, welcome to Making English Fun. Today we're looking at a word that is a true pronunciation puzzle. That word is Loughborough. Before we get started, don't forget to hit that like button down below. It really helps us when we're a new channel and keeps these guides coming your way. So let's give this a go. Loughborough, Loughborough, Loughborough. Now you can hear it has two syllables, Lough and Borough, and that seems simple, but it has an awful lot of letters and can cause an awful lot of confusion. The challenge here is those letters seem like it has more syllables than it has. So let's get it right. The first syllable is Lough, like in enough, or rough, or tough. The second syllable is Borough. Now that's B like in butter and R like in rug, and you put them together to say Loughborough. Let's practice this. Loughborough, Loughborough, Loughborough. Now the fun fact is Loughborough's a little market town in the middle of England, and it's known for a great sports university. So if you can't say the word, you can't really run away from them if you get it wrong either. Keep practicing it and soon you'll be pronouncing Loughborough like a local. And remember, Make English Fun has tons of free resources and games to boost those language skills. You can check us out on makingenglishfun.com. Until next time, keep exploring the world of English. Don't forget to subscribe, share and hit that like button, and we'll see you soon.